Okay, so this is the Vicrez Auto Care Professional Cleaning Kit, VAC117, and this includes every single cleaning auto care kit that we have. So everything from interior to exterior, everything from the rims to the tires, the vinyls, anything that you can think of that's related to vehicles, this whole kit should cover it. All right, so first we have the tree sap kit. And this is perfect for tree sap, micro scratches, bird dropping, and anything like that. And this kit includes a sponge and a microfiber cloth. And next we have here is the tire dressing. So this will protect your outer layer of your tires and it makes it look new. And then next we have the headlight restoration. So if your headlight is kind of discolored from the sun, the UV, this will be perfect to restore that to a clear and clarity. So the next we have is the snowstorm kit. So this is basically like a general kind of like a good wash on the outside. You pretty much attach it to the hose and kind of spray it onto the car to give it a nice film, and you can just wash it with that. All right, so next we have the Pro Clay Bar and Lubrication. The clay bar and the lubrication is pretty much going to pick up any micro dirt that's on your car. So this is great to get that really fine detail, very fine dirt out of the way. All right, so next we have is the waterless car wash. And this is great for if you don't have a reliable water source or like a water hose. This is perfect for it. You don't need anything else. You just need the spray that we provided and the microfiber cloth. You can just do like a really good general cleaning on all the outside of the car, exterior of the car. Okay, so we have the interior cleaner, and this is great for anything inside the car. So your leather seating, your console, your dashboard, anything for your air conditioning control, your audio, whatever. This is great for that. Your seatbelt if you want to clean that. So anything inside the interior, this would be perfect for it. All right, so the next one we have is the Vinyl Rubber and Plastic Restoration Pro. So this one is perfect if you have a lot of like aftermarket addition to your car. So like vinyls, or if you have diffusers, spoilers, side skirt, this would be perfect to clean it and restore it to the perfect condition. The next one we have is the rim and tire cleaner. So this one, it just pretty much cleaned the tire and the rims. You just spray this directly onto the tires or the rims, and there's a brush that we provided here. And after that, you just want to scrub it down and just rinse it out with the water. And then the last one here is the 1 gallon snowstorm wash soap.